Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Monday, January 23rd, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. We are getting lots of snow right now here in Maine, and it's just crazy. So it's another great day to stay inside by the wood stove and do some marketing, all right? And in this video, I just want to talk to you about some reasons why you shouldn't compare yourself to other people in network marketing. I've been guilty of this. In fact, I've been guilty of this during my time here in LiveGood. Okay, you always see people that are, just crushing it out of the park, and then you go, oh man, why am I not having the same success? All right, and I actually had a quick conversation today with a gentleman who said he's been doing this for a couple of weeks. He has no pre-enrollees, and he's not sure if it's going to work out. And basically, I told him, don't compare yourself to other people, because it's just going to be the quickest reason for you to get done and quit, all right? If you compare yourself to what other people are doing, then you're taking away time from actually doing things to better your life or to get more people into your business, right? Each one of us is on a different journey, and it's so early in LiveGood that just the fact that you're already a part of it, you already have your spot in the matrix, is huge, okay? We have about 10,000 people right now who have joined LiveGood. And Ben Glinsky is predicting that there's going to be over 1 million people in this company by the end of this year. So that's 990,000 plus people who are still going to join, right? And where are they going to fall in the force matrix? They have to go somewhere under you, all right? They might not necessarily be in your matrix, but some of them are going to be, okay? So when you compare yourself to other people, you have to understand that we're all on different journeys here. Some people have been doing this for 20 or 30 years. I have a couple guys on my team right now who have been doing this for over 20 years. All right, I've been doing this 16 years. And there's some people on the team who have never done this before, and they're already seeing some success. So the point of this video, and I'm going to keep it short because, I'm not here to lecture you or tell you anything like that. It just, when I had that conversation today, I was like, wow, I've been guilty of this myself, and just comparing yourself to other people is just a waste of time, basically. Now, if you want to look at somebody and say, wow, they're doing this, and it motivates you to, make changes to where you're doing more to get people on into your company, then that's a positive thing. But if you're sitting there comparing and going, oh, it's not working for me, it's probably something I shouldn't do, and then you start doubting yourself and you get a negative mindset, and then before you know it, you're going to quit. And then next year at this time, when you look and say, man, I should have stayed with it, I would have been making, so much more money. So my point is, just don't compare yourself to other people. Just focus on what you're doing. There is a leaderboard here in the back office, and I like to go on it because I want to be on the leaderboard. But at the same time, don't compare yourself to these people on the leaderboard. Some of these people, especially at the top, they've been doing this a long time. They have huge followings, and it's easy for them to enroll, several hundred people. So just be consistent. That's the point of this, okay? Just stay consistent. Work on your LiveGood business an hour or two every single day. Do some Facebook posting, send out some messages, make a YouTube video if you're if you know how to make a video. You don't have to come on these videos. All of my videos, I'm down here in the corner. All right? You never see me have a full screen of just myself. All right? You don't even have to have yourself on a video if you're not comfortable with it. You can record this without any, without yourself down here. So just take small steps every single day. Maybe it's to post in 5 Facebook groups, or to make a new Facebook post every morning, something positive that people will come to your page every day and check it out. Post on Twitter, make a TikTok video, do something every single day, and just stay consistent with doing that, okay? And if you stay consistent, then in the end you're going to win. There's no way around it. If you stay consistent, in the end you're going to win. It might take you a year, it might take you 2 years, it might take you 3 years, but the time that you put in now, at some point it'll pay off. Anyway, I just want you to know that you can do this. Stay positive. Just focus on yourself. Don't worry about what other people are doing. Sometimes I don't even go in the Facebook groups because it distracts me, to be honest with you. I love the Facebook groups. There's nothing wrong with them. It's great to see, welcome new people to the team and everything. But it can also distract you. You know, if you're spending more time in the group, you're taking away time that you could be doing something that could bring in pre-enrollees to your business. So anyway, it's a balance, you know. I mean, if you like the groups, that's awesome. I go into them myself, but I try to stay focused when I'm on the computer. And then once I get done my tasks that I want to do for the day, then I can go on Facebook and be in the groups and, you know, whatever else. But just stay focused on what you're doing. Don't worry about what everybody else is doing, okay? Eventually you'll see results. So anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you found some value in it. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you haven't already. It helps me out. I greatly appreciate it. If you're interested in checking out the LiveGood business opportunity, there is a link down below in the description box. If you click it, you'll be taken over to my page where there's a 5-minute video. You can watch it and then decide if it's something right for you or not. So I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.